Electronics. This is extremely important for all of you millennials and the old people too. You can see right here, I have my initials on everything because when you're traveling with a group of 29, everybody's gonna have identical looking gear to charge their electronics. Make sure you get a black Sharpie and put your initials on everything, just in case. I always travel with a black Sharpie, so we can just mark things up as we go. So let's go through all of the things that I'm bringing with me on my trip. You can see right here, these are called universal adapters. They are universal because you can use them kind of all over the place. Some of them are specific for the UK, some of them are for Asia. You can see right here that it has exactly where I can use these: Japan, Europe, and the UK. Each one of them is a little bit different. They're very cheap. You can get them for $10, $11, $12 at Walmart, Target, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, all of those places. You can even get them on Amazon, of course. So I have two of them. I'm bringing both of them just so that I have them. Okay, next thing I have right here is something that I bought on Amazon. It is an iPhone charger with European plugs. I cannot tell you how valuable this thing is. If you don't have one of these, you can use your regular charger right here. This is my regular charger with my initials on it. You plug it into your adapter and you plug your adapter into the wall, and that will charge your phone. It'll run your curling iron, your flat iron. It'll charge your iPad, any of that. This you can use on the airplane. Sometimes airplanes have dual plugs. They'll have an American version and a European version. Either way, I'm prepared for both. This is my European adapter for charging. This is my American version for charging. Then, of course, I've got my portable charger that's all charged up and ready to go. And I have the plug with my initials on it. So I can disconnect this, carry it around in my pack in case my phone's getting short and it's ready to charge. So that's going in here too. I have my favorite headphones right here. They're the cheapest headphones that I could have found. And then I have the little adapter for my iPhone. I love these. They're my favorite. But we all know how things are on tour. Sometimes things get messed up. So I have an extra pair of headphones just in case. Also, I have this extra cord for charging just in case somebody needs one or in case one of mine goes kaput. I have that. Last but not least, I bought this a really long time ago. It's just a little flashlight. I use it all the time. Places are dark or you need to look around for something. Maybe you don't want to be scrambling for your iPhone. So I have this and I just carry it around with me, and it helps me get around and it helps me find things. So I put them all in this little packing cube right here. This packing cube is going in my carry-on. I take it on the plane with me. I don't put it in my backpack because I like to have all of my stuff right here at hand, ready to go. So there you go. Those are the electronics that I'm bringing on my trip.